Ah, okay. So as I said first, before to answer, I want to thank God. I thank God because God bring us here safely.
Yeah.
So we thank Him. God, thank you very much. So you know, in Africa, me, I'm from Ivory Coast. Voilà, I'm from Ivory Coast. I have I'm from Ivory Coast, but I live in England, I live in Turkey, sometimes I go to Turkey, I live everywhere in the world. It depends sometimes. But now I'm in England, yeah. Is the city here. Yeah. Abidjan is but you know the big city from Ivory Coast is Yamoussoukro. That is the big is the capital. Yamoussoukro.
Yamoussoukro is capital.
Yamoussoukro, yeah, that's the capital of Ivory Coast, yes, yeah. Yamoussoukro. But you know, people when they come to Ivory Coast, they know only Abidjan. So that's how people they think Abidjan is the capital of Ivory Coast, but it's not. It's a Yamoussoukro. That is the big capital. Is the capital of Ivory Coast.
Like market-wise, it's bigger.
Yeah. Me, I don't know, but that one I know now. They are. Sorry, I have four brothers and five sisters. Yeah, 4. So when I say 4 is 2 from my dad's side, and then 2 from my mom's side. You know, so.
So
it's not all of them. They are not. We don't have the same mom and same dad. We have only same dad, but no same mom. Yes. Yeah. That's Africa. It's normal in Africa.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. I was there last 2 months, so I went to see them. You know, because long time I didn't see them, so I went there to visit them a little bit. To see them, but it was nice. You know, when you don't see your family for long, and then you go back to see them, they give you more strength, you know. So me, I was happy to go back to see them.
So how?
Oh, my own country. There, if you go to Ivory Coast, say you want to come to see elephant. Ivory Coast. When you say Ivory Coast is I don't know the name in English. That one for the elephant. You know the Ivoire, no? Is yes, that one for yes. So that's why you said my country's name is Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast, yes, because of elephant. You have a tusk. Yeah. That's one. Yeah, so if you go there, you're gonna see elephant. So that is the Ivory Coast. The meaning of my country is elephant. So we like elephant. So, and that's it. But some people they're nice, some they're not nice. It's like everywhere, you know. So you have to pray. Always pray for your country to have peace in your country, because you have your family there in your country. So you don't want anything bad to happen in your country. So you have to pray a lot, ask God to bring the peace in your country. Yes. You know, my story is very, very hard to explain, because you know, in Africa, our family, you know, the all players that we see like Yaya Toure, Kolo Toure, Zokora Maestro, Drogba, Gervinho, Kalou, all of them, you see, their family didn't allow them to play football. They allowed them to play football, so they can't play football. Even me, when you go to play football, you come back home, your family beat you.
So
because they said
against your parents.
Yes, of course, the whole family, you know.
Why?
Because they want the children to go to school is normal. That is the normal things, you know. You have to go to school. For them, education first.
Education first.
Yeah, education first, and then that's the most important things, you know. Because now, if you see, because you have some players, they can't talk when they see the camera. They can't talk. They can't explain themselves, you know, because they didn't go to school, and then they don't know what they have to say when they see the camera or the journalist, you know. So that's why before when our family they were beating us, we didn't know that that things it will help us for the future, you know. So it was good and bad for yes. Me, I was you know, me, I'm as we said, when I was young, I didn't listen anybody, only my grandmom, because it's my grandmom who looked after me when I was a baby. So
you only told your mom?
So it's my grandmom. No, me, I didn't know my mom before. Me, I just met my mom last, I think, last 3 years ago. I think 3 years ago, I met my mom.
Yeah.
3 years ago, yes, 3 years ago. Yes. So it was my grandmom.
Grandma.
Yes, my dad. My dad's side is her who take care about me, look after me. So when I was young, she told me go to school. I said okay. So when I go to school, after school I go to play. So when I go to play, when I come back, she beats me. The next day, I do the same. So every day it was like that. It was this every day. I said to her, grandma, you're gonna beat me every day. Me, you beat me today, tomorrow I will go to play. But I was going to school. I was going to school first, and then after, I go to play with my friends. And then I remember very well that day. You were playing in the city, and then in my city, and then after the game, one guy, me, I don't know him, he came and then he tell me if me I want to play football. I said yes, I want to play football, but first I want to go to school first.
Mimosa.
Yes, no, that's you know.
No.
It was a
Mimosa.
Mimosa. That was after before that. So I said to him, okay.
Mimosa no 前のクラブですね。
No, Mimosa, it was after.
After,
Yes.
It was
yes.
after.
When you were much
Yeah.
younger.
So when I was much younger, it's like when I was 9, 10. 9, 10. So I was playing in the small team in my town. In my town, so I was playing there for many years, and after our team went to play against Mimosa, and then
were you in trouble when you joined the team with your grandma?
No, after people they were talking to her, they were saying to her, no, your son is good, so let him play football. You will see. She said, no, I don't want. I don't want. But after she understand that it's football I want to do. I want to play football. So after that, she didn't do anything. She let me go to play. So after when my team, we went to play against Academy Mimo Sifcom. We play against them. Me, I was the central defender. I was in right back. I never played right back. I was a central defender. Central defender, no right back. Yeah. So
when did you switch?
So this one is when I came to Belgium. So and then after that we play against Academy, and then I played good. And then that day, Jean-Marc Guillot, the director from for the academy, he contacted me after the game. He came, he talked to me. He said to me, do you want to play for Mimosa? I said, of course. That is our dream. So before to go to Europe, you have to go through
first.
to Mimosa. Because of him, he has the opportunity to bring a player in Europe. So I said, why not? So he kept me. I stayed there for 1 year, and then
5 years in
one year, yes.
Oh.
And then I go to Belgium.
When you were there.
When I was there, yes, because of this academy, Mimosa, help a lot of people. You know, is there this academy? Is there Kolo Touré, Yaya Touré, me, Chevino, Kalou, Zokora, and many players. Yeah, and then some players they went to France, they went to another country, you know. So this academy, because of this academy, now in my country, you can see too many academy now in my country, yes, because of Mimosa, yes, because of that. So now they have a lot of too many academy in Abidjan, yes. So that memory, that things I remember, the memory there. It was I think 4 months or 5 months when I came.
When
when I came to academy, to academy Jamajio. I think 4 months later, he bring me to France, no Belgium, to play France, to Paris, to play like a tournament. You know, like an academy went to play against another team.
Tournament.
Yes, the academy tournament. So that was the first day. That was the first day I saw the plane. That was the first day I said, so that is the plane. So I was sitting in the plane. So that was my
first.
Yes, it was my first
flight.
My first time to you know, first when you grow up somewhere and then we leave that place to go to work no close to your country, you know, far to your country, you know. Of course you are a little bit disappointed, you know, to leave your family and then go, but you go there for good reason, you know. You go there to work, to get money and then bring to your family, you know. So but the first time is very, very hard, you know, when you leave your family to go to work far. It's very, very hard. But after the understanding, that you're going there to work, you know, to work. So after it came easy. You know, my move to Arsenal. That is it was you know, Beveren and Arsenal. You know, Jamajio and Jamajio, the director, he's the sport director from academy. So it's him who bring us to Beveren, and then him is a best friend of Arsene Wenger. Okay, the best friend. So they signed a contract, Arsenal and Beveren. So Beveren have to bring one player from the academy to Arsenal. That's why Kolo Touré. That's why Kolo Touré.
Kolo first.
Yes, Kolo he was the first one. So Kolo he came straight from Abidjan to Arsenal.
So he directly moved to Arsenal from Ivory Coast.
Yes, from Ivory Coast to directly from Ivory Coast to Arsenal. So for me, I was playing there, I think 3 years, if I remember, in Beveren, yes. And then my last, I think it was my last 2 games, yes. Last 2 games, yes. Last 2 games before the club. And then somebody told me that, you know, Arsene Wenger is upset. He's watching you. He came here for you. I said, Arsene Wenger, eh? They said, yeah. Because of the president, the coach, the sporting director, nobody talked to me. Tell me about that. It was only one guy. He tell me that, you know, Arsene Wenger is here. He's here. He came to watch the game. So you have to play good. I said, okay, no problem. So you were playing the game. So it was normal. I was playing. So after the game, he came to the dressing room to say hello to everybody. And then he talked to me because at that time, you know, too many teams, you know, like Marseille, Marseille and Seville. And then another team in I think is Ukraine, where Yaya Toure went. Shakhtar Donetsk, yes, Shakhtar Donetsk, yes. That team also.
They were
interesting, yes. Yeah. So Wenger told me, he said to me, Emmanuel, do you want to play for Arsenal? I said yes. I was young. I said yes. I want. He said okay. If you want to play for Arsenal, stay here. Stay in Beveren for 6 months, and then you're gonna come Arsenal. I said hi. So me, I was scared. I was thinking that maybe he was playing with my head. So I said, coach, so you want me to stay here 6 months? He said yes. Stay with Beveren 6 months, and then after you're gonna come. I said okay. I said, coach, even if I'm injured, I will come, eh? He said, don't worry, play. The next 6 months after you're gonna come. I said, okay, no problem. So I stay like this. So the clubs, they came to Beveren. They said they want to sign. I said, me, I don't want to go because of Wenger promised me. I said, okay. So it was like that. I came to Arsenal and I stayed there 6 months, and after I came to. So when Wenger he came to see me, I was playing center defender. I was in right back. No. So
still center back.
Yes, center defender. So it was one day. One of my friends, when I stayed there for 6 months, one of my friends, he was playing right back, so he get problem injured, so no right back. And then the coach was asking to everybody, who want to play right back? So nobody want to play right back because right back is not easy. It's up and down, so it's not easy. So nobody want to play. So nah. So the coach asked me, he said, Emmanuel, do you want to play there? I said, why not, coach? So when I played there, he was happy. He was so happy. So after that, after the game, the next game I was playing and then after it's finished.
Arsene Wenger offered you a contract. You were still centre back, but you switched to right back.
Yes. So when I came, when I came to Arsenal, he told me. He said, in England, they have the big striker. Because me, I was too small. I was very small. So he said to me, here, if you want to play center defender, you have to be big and then strong. I said, coach, me, I played against some striker in Belgium. He said, that is Belgium. Here, you have to be strong and big. I said, okay, coach. So he told me, he said, I'm not going to play there. I will play right back. I said, okay, up to you, coach. And then I was happy when I came. I saw Lauren Itamemaye. He was very, very nice person.
He's
nice guy. He helped me a lot. You know, if he was another player, he will get upset. You will say, no, why the coach will bring other players, but this guy, he was very, very nice. This guy, I will never forget him. He's a very, very nice person. Itamemaye, Lauren, very, very nice person. Yeah. So he helped me a lot. All of them, but you know, one I said Lauren because
because
I was playing the same position, and then me when I came, I didn't know anything about English football, you know.
No.
So it's him who helped me a lot on this position, and after when I used to manage well the position, after that I was Jerry Henry, Beckham,
yes, how about
Sol Campbell. Sol Campbell, you know, all of them. They were even Simon, the goalkeeper. When I came, I saw him, and after he left here. So
any memories?
Yeah,
special ones.
Yeah,
to tell.
Special one there in Arsenal. It was when I saw, because I was watching in the TV. I was watching Arsenal, and when I saw the Highbury, I said, that's the first time when we want to visit the stadium. I said, it's not like the Belgium stadium, eh? No.
It's middle of the houses.
Nice, and then the pitch, the grass is perfect. I said, okay. I was so happy, and then they were talking about me in Ivory Coast, and then my grandmom, she called me, she asked me because me when I came to side, I didn't tell to anybody. So when she saw that, she called me and said, my son, did you sign? I said, what is that? The blue one.
That's Disneyland.
Yeah, it's a Disneyland.
Yeah.
The Japan, Disneyland.
Japanese, Tokyo. Disney.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
It's nice. Mickey is there. He's sleeping there.
Yeah.
It's nice,
Yeah.
Wow.
It's massive. It's hotel.
Yeah, but you can't see it's big.
Yeah.
Mickey is there. I want to say hello to Mickey.
Mickey Mouse. Yeah. He
Oh, Mickey.
Yeah.
But Mickey is not the Japanese Mickey.
Kind of. Someone inside is Japanese, obviously.
Because that Mickey, I hope that is the Mickey that we know. In the TV, we see Mickey.
I mean, outside is the same.
It's not
the American one.
It's the American one. This one.
The all announcements is in Japanese. I'm afraid. So I think you better go to Paris one if you want to go.
Yeah, that's the Paris one. Yeah. But it's nice. It's big. Paris one is nice. You know, it's nice. May have apartment there, close to there. It's very nice.
In Paris.
Yeah. But there before, it's so busy. When if you go there, you have to go there because if you go there with your children,
yes,
you have to have money in your pocket, my brother Chris. Hey, Daddy, I want to do this. Daddy. Hey, I say, hey. So you want to do everything today? Calm down. We do a little bit, and tomorrow we come again. A stadium.
I think that's a baseball ground.
Baseball.
多分あれは江戸川陸上競技場ですかね。ちっちゃいスタジアム。
Athletic ground, sorry. It's not baseball.
It's not baseball.
That Sky Tree, that big tower there.
That's amazing.
This one is.
Yeah, the views are amazing.
Yeah.
So
it's nice.
We're getting into Tokyo now.
So here you are going inside Tokyo. Yeah. So other side is Narita.
Yeah, Chiba is preferred.
Nashiba.
Yeah.
Or Shiba. Chiba. Okay. Chiba. That one is a nice question because some some players, they don't know the importance, to play for your country, to wear the jersey for your country. Because when you are young, it's your dream.
Yes.
It's your dream to play for your country, because we saw on the TV the bigger brother they were playing. We see how they were so happy. We see how the people they love them in the country. So when you think about that, you want to come and then play for your country. But some players they refuse to play for them country. I don't know why. But me, I was so happy. When I say happy, I was so happy to play for my country. And then I wish that my son, when I'm gonna be big, he will play for this country. It's very, very nice to play for your country, because if you want people to respect you, you start there. When you play for your country, you're gonna see people, they're gonna talk nice about you. You're gonna say, it's like that. And then also, sometimes when you are in your club and then you don't play a lot in your club, but your national team, they give you the opportunity to play, even if it's not for 1 year, but whether you come for national team, they give you the chance to play, to enjoy yourself on the pitch, because you know your potential, so you have to respect a lot your national team, because the national team is very, very important things here. Very, 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 very important things. Because I can tell you, I take example. I have one of my friends. He didn't play for. You see, example, Mas Gradel. He was playing for Portsmouth.
Huh? Which one?
In England, Mas Gradel. Mas Gradel, yes.
Gradel. Max Gradel.
Max Gradel. He was playing for
Leeds.
For Leeds. So after he went to Saint Etienne, and he came back in England. He was playing for
Premier League team.
No, he's a Bournemouth. Yeah. He was playing for Bournemouth. So he didn't play a lot. He didn't play a lot there. He was on the bench, but the national team called him. When he came for the national team, every game he play. He went for the Africa Cup. He played, and then he win the Africa Cup. After that, he has a opportunity to move. So now he play in France. He play in France, in Toulouse. He played there. So it's because the national team gave him the opportunity, the chance to play.
Tokyo Tower.
Yeah, at Tokyo Tower. Yeah, when we come back to play for the national team, we are so happy to be together, because we can't see each other when we go to play for our club, So the national team, as I said, is like is a family, like the family house, the family home. Yes. So when you come to the national team, and then you see your friend that we didn't see him for long, you are happy. So when you come, it's only for 1 week. It's only when we have a national. We have
like going back your home.
Yes, it's like that because of. Yes, because after the national team, when we finish to play, when you go back, everybody, you are in your club. All of us, we go to our club. So it's only in the phone. Hello, how are you? Come on, and that's it. But we can see, like when we go to the national team, and then we see all of us, we are together. So as I said, national team is the home. Is our house. Is our home. So when you go back there, you are so happy to go. Yeah.
代表はもう家に帰る。
Tokyo! This moment. I have a lot, eh?
A lot.
Yeah.
You choose one.
Choose one. The Champions League, the final. The final Champions League.
Champions League final.
Yeah.
Okay.
Champions League final.
Yeah.
And then,
he plays. Lauren was injured that you played.
No.
Yeah.
Lauren didn't. He wasn't there.
Because you got fouled, didn't you?
Yeah. And then come back score. Yeah. So that one, and then I played also three Africa final.
African final.
Yes, Africa Cup final. You know, so
you can't choose one.
Yeah. So as I said, I thank God. I thank God for everything He did for me, and then everything He's doing for me, because it's only Him. It's only God who protect us, He protect our family. So you have to thank Him. You have to say thank you for everything we do. You say thank you, God. So I thank Him for everything. Yeah.
Christian.
Yeah.
Christian, yeah.
A lot.
Maybe you don't believe me, but when I last went to church was when I was 15.
Yeah.